Hey, what's up guys? Simply Programmed here. Welcome back to my Java course for complete beginners. In today's tutorial, I guess it's number 5, we're gonna look at for loops. So without further talking, let's get straight into it. So here in Eclipse IDE, we'll start by creating a new class within a new project as usual. So go ahead to File, click New, and Java Project. Type in the name tutorial 5. Maybe there's another, so I'll just call it 5 like that. So I'll click finish. Here in source folder, right click onto it, click new class, and I'll just call that loop and click finish. Okay, now in your class type in main, hit control space for autocomplete. What am I doing? Yes, there, main control space for autocomplete, and just click return. So you can here you can select all your text and click Control Shift F. If it's badly formatted, then Eclipse will automatically format that for you. So you know the best about loops is that the best about the for loops is that it's as same as it said, which means you simply type for followed by a parentheses, and between them you can just type double semicolon. Leave that for a moment, we'll back to them later. Follow the parentheses with a curly bracket. Eclipse will automatically complete that for you. And here you can just type sys out, control space, and type hello. And if you run this, you'll get a result as if we're using a normal while loop. So let's just terminate that. And are they the same? Well, in programming you can literally make anything or everything you ever wanted by different methods, but you know the main difference between them that for loop gives you more control about the iteration and every iteration in the loop. So in the first part here you can just start by declaring an int variable which will work as a counter. So type in int I equal to 0, and the second area will be the condition. So type I smaller than 5, and the last one you can just type I plus plus. So basically what it does here, that it starts by declaring I equal to 0, and then it checks if the condition is true. If it's true, this code in here between the curly parentheses will be executed, otherwise it won't. So is 0 smaller than 5? That's true, so system.out.println will work. After that it's going to execute that I++, which we talked earlier. That means I equal to I plus 1. So if we run this, we will get hello printed 5 times, which obvious. So the last part of the for loop is executed after the execution of this method or this statement right here between the two curly parentheses. Curly brackets, I guess, yes. So this is pretty much the basic step to create a for loop fully functional. So I can give you another good practice. Go here and remove the ln and type instead of them the f. So it's another function, system.out.printf, hello. Let's just delete hello and type this is line number, and make a formatted operator here, which is %d. I don't know, I don't remember what's its name. Maybe in the future tutorial I can get you the right name for it. I don't know. So after that, hit comma and type I. So what it does here, it's going to make a variable inside a string. This is how it's work. So it's going to, every iteration of the loop will print this is line number, and Eclipse will know that %d means there is a digit to be inserted right here, and it will find this digit right after the text is written. So it's in here, I call that I, it will get the value of I from here. So if I change it that 0 to 1 and click run, I will get the this is line number 1, this is line number 2, this is line number 3, this is line number 4. You get the idea. But the difference between printf and println method, it's that it won't make a new line every single iteration, so you have to do it yourself. You can do it just by making a new line here and type system sysout like this and click run. So you get the answer you want, but you know what, that's not a good practice to make this. So I'll give you a handy shortcut. So right in here, after the %d, you can just make a \n, which means a new line. So it's going to print this is line number and insert the digit from here, and it will counter this, and it's simply new line. So it's going to make a new line. So if you click run, it will make that as the same. So that's it. So there's nothing I can say more in this tutorial, but I hope to catch you guys in the next one. If you have any questions about for loops or anything considering the Java or anything that's not clear, just leave a comment down in the section below. So that's it for this tutorial again. And the last one, someone I think complained about the quality of my microphone. So I've tried to make some improvements to it. Sure, I can make more if you supported me. If you like my videos, posted comments and subscribe, of course, my channel. So if you want to get access to my free courses in the future, please stay tuned with me, support me, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.